So here's how to use Notion for social media management. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Notion account. Once you are there, now here you have to simply create a new page by clicking on the new page option, and then you have to enter the title of your page. You have to create a new Notion workspace dedicated to social media management. You can create separate pages for different platforms or campaigns. Now you have to create a table or calendar view to plan and schedule your social media posts. Include columns for the date, platform, content, captions, hashtags, and links. You can also create a table by simply giving the prompt or writing the prompt in the AI section. Use Notion's database or list features to jot down content ideas, inspirations, and potential post themes. Here I'm gonna use the AI feature to create a table for my content. For this you have to write a clear command here, then you have to hit on the enter. You have to build a repository of visual assets including images and videos that you can access easily when creating posts. As you can see, it has successfully created me a table. Here you can also add rows and columns in it if you want so. You can create tables or charts to track your social media performance. Include matrices like engagement, reach, clicks, and followers growth. Create a database for relevant hashtags for different campaigns or themes. This can help you maintain consistency and reach a wider audience. Set up a task or checklist template for the publishing process. Include steps like content creation, proofreading, scheduling, and monitoring. You can also create a page to outline your social media strategy, objectives, and key performance indicators. You also need to set up a section to monitor mentions, comments, and messages on your social media platforms. Consider using Notion integrations like Zapier or automated.io to automate repetitive tasks such as posting on social media. So that's how to use Notion for social media management.